I'm Ileana Hanganu-Opatz. I am Professor for Physiology and the Director of the Institute of Developmental Neurophysiology at University Medical Center Hamburg-Eppendorf. My research addresses the questions: how do neural circuits emerge throughout life? With other words, how all these millions and millions of neurons that we have in our brains connect with each other and build functional entities that are involved in sensory perception, but also in cognitive processing. And for addressing this question, I found highly beneficial to rely on multidisciplinarity, not only when talking about my fantastic team, including biologists, biochemists, and engineers, mathematicians, but also when talking about my own educational background with a solid training in math, informatics, biology, and biochemistry. Our research is supported by Minuta, BMBF, and ERC grants, and we address the mechanisms that govern the cortical wiring during development. And we have a particular focus on the brain areas that are involved in cognitive processing, decision-making, working memory. We investigate rodents as animal models, and we identified time windows of critical relevance for this cognitive maturation. In these time windows, there is a substantial connectivity growth and reorganization. On the other hand, these time windows are periods during which the developing circuits are particularly vulnerable for miswiring. And this has been hypothesized to be the substrate for cognitive deficits in several devastating neurodevelopmental disorders, such as schizophrenia or autism. Moreover, I'm interested in how other factors, for example, sensory inputs, multisensory inputs, we have a particular focus on the olfactory perception, or how immune states are able to shape this cognitive development. Being elected as member of the Akademie der Wissenschaften in Hamburg, it's a big honor for me, and it's also a big chance to gain new perspectives through exchange with colleagues from so many diverse fields. Or putting more simply, it's a living multidisciplinarity that I realize that is so precious from our own scientific work.